how to update an Outlook meeting without sending notification. So it's much better if you do this process inside your Outlook Classic, since you won't be able to see some of these features in the new Outlook. But once you're here, go ahead to the send/receive and then make sure you're working offline. So once that's toggled on, go to whatever meeting you want to go ahead and edit, and then open that up and just edit it to however you want. So make your changes, whatnot, and once you're done with the edits, go ahead and press on send update. Now you're gonna have to go in your outbox, which is going to be found in your mail, and then you'll be able to see these notifications. So what you're gonna do now is you can delete the updates that was related to the meeting. Make sure you don't delete the first one, and then now you're gonna go back to send/receive and then make sure you are now working online. So that's one option you can do. Supposedly this should work, and hopefully it does work for you, since this is one of the only options available. And if it doesn't, then sadly there isn't a feature that lets you update without sending notification other than this. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.